Good evening, guys. Be welcome to another review on the channel. Today I'll bring you the IBG Models PZL P.24G from Turkish service. This is a 1/72 scale, as you can see here on the top, and this is launched by IBG Models. IBG Models has been surprising us with a lot of fairly good, well, I won't say fairly good, but very good models in 1/72 scale, full of details. Their instructions are very well detailed and very well drawn, but we got to that in a second. First things first, we're gonna go to the plastic sprues. As you guys can see, there's loads of detail on these. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. There you go, guys. For a 1/72 scale, there's loads of fine lines, and on the wings, you can see all those seams on there. And again, I would like to remind that this is a 1/72 scale airplane. So you have basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sprues. One is the wings, the other one is the fuselage and part of the motor. Then you have the little bits and bobs like the rudder, the wing struts to hold them in place, and more options. Then you have the propeller and landing gears and more for the engine. So we put them here. So as you can see, there's loads of options here. And again, you barely can see any flash on it. It's a very well detailed kit. Once again, pieces are very well extruded. Flash, I can't see barely any, if any at all. So I think you guys are gonna enjoy this. And the part that astonished me the most is that for the cockpit, you can have either the clear parts, as per normal, which you can see they are not that big. But if you're not happy with that, you can have them done in PE, which you can see in here. The airframe for it, and then you have the windows for it. Let me see if I can show it properly. There you go. See, you have your windows, and in here you have your PE kits. So this bit here and this bit here are the airframes. So then you have the for the engine as well and everything. Very methodical kit. Decals wise, you have one version, Turkish version, for the PZL. So, having seen this, let's go to the instructions and see what do we have there and how many steps we have to go to fully assemble this. So, in here you have a bit of history about the PZL, color codes, and you have the color codes for Vallejo, Attaca, Life Color, Miserobi, and AK Interactive. And then you have the steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. This can be completed in 13 steps. As you see here, like I said, You have the airframe that you can build in PE. See if I can show you guys in animation. As you guys can see, you have all the frame and all the parts for it. So fairly intricate model for a 1/72 scale one, but I think it's very enjoyable. Very well worth it. You have here the paint scheme. It's all silver, and yeah, it's absolutely amazing. Again, for a 1/72 airplane, it's full of details. If you wanna follow the build of this one is going to be built on the channel as well. So if you want to follow the build of this one, just please consider subscribing, activate the notifications, and stay tuned, because this one is going to be built and you can follow everything on here. Till then, see you later and hope you enjoy the review.